Back live with the Max Bupa Walk for Health. Amrita Raychand's been very patient with me right through the...
Because good health and exercise is the most important for a great quality of life. So, hi everybody, and keep walking and keep exercising.
Away to the starting point where Sonam Kapoor is also going to lead the way. She's going to... It is fabulous.
Well, all the action now happening in Mumbai. As you can see, Sonam Kapoor is there. She's flagging off the 5-kilometer walk in Mumbai, and it's already been flagged off here in Delhi by Sania Mirza just a short while ago. Sonam Kapoor now, she is flagging off the 5K walk in Mumbai. Of course, her association with sport recently from her movie Bhaag Milkha Bhaag, where she plays a part in a movie which was very much about sport, very much about fitness, and that's where she feels her association comes from. So she's here today to endorse this event. She's here today to endorse health, and walking, as we've been saying, is the simplest form of exercise. It's something that everybody can do. You just have to step out of your homes and get walking, and that's really the theme for today. So the entire event being flagged off in Mumbai now, even as Delhi is getting ready for the 2-kilometer walk. Bombay is getting ready, Mumbai is getting ready for the 5K walk, and here in Delhi we have a lot of people now coming together, coming towards the start line, getting ready for the 2K walk. Now let's remind you, there are two walks today. One is the 5-kilometer walk, which all young people and fit people are encouraged to join, and then there's a 2-kilometer walk, which is predominantly for the older people, perhaps for some of the senior citizens, and also for the children. We have today seen a massive participation from children, which is very, very encouraging. Huge number of children here in Delhi, and certainly in Mumbai as well. In Delhi, there was quite a treat for the children as they got to meet the popular Nicktoons, Dora the Explorer and the Ninja Turtles before they got ready for their 2-kilometer walk. And in Mumbai right now, of course, the entire event being flagged off by Sonam Kapoor, who has made her association with sport. She's, of course, been part of that very, very epic sporting film Bhaag Milkha Bhaag, and now she's here today endorsing this event, endorsing Walk for Health. Walking, as we've been saying today, is the greatest form of exercise. It's something that helps us get physical as well as mental fitness. There's so many benefits to health, so we're urging all of you. All right. We'll come back quickly with another update from Delhi in just a few minutes as we're ready for the 2-kilometer flag off. It's back to you.
From Mumbai, and like Tina was telling us, fitness enthusiasts, young and old alike, have all gathered. The turnout has been tremendous. This is the second edition of the Max Bupa Walk for Health. The 5-kilometer walkathon has already been flagged off in Delhi. We are waiting for the flag off in Mumbai. Let's go across to Kailash, our correspondent in Delhi. Kailash, what can you share with us at this moment? What's the mood like out there?
First of all, a very beautiful morning, not too cold, not too hot, and the turnout is stupendous. If the website has to be believed, 16,000 people have signed up for this walk, which shows a lot how, city dwellers are taking up the cause of fitness, and, they're showing their solidarity. I mean, you have people in all shapes, sizes, and age groups, and if you, I have a very young friend with me. Quite gungo about it, and they just joined the cause, you know.
Right, Tina, like you were telling us, healthy living is the hallmark of a healthy society, and walking is really the simplest form of exercise. And here we are celebrating, in a way, the simplest form of exercise, in a way also promoting it so that we have in the larger picture a healthy society.
Yeah, okay. Okay. All right, so we're getting ready for the 2-kilometer walk here, which, as I said, is predominantly for senior citizens and also children. So we actually have some kids over here. Even as you can see behind me, there's a stage show going on with the popular Nicktoons, Dora the Explorer and Ninja Turtles. Kids are very excited to be here today, so let's talk to some of them. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Where are you all from?
School, Mayur Bihar.
So you've come together from your school. Are you all friends or your whole school has come?
Whole school, only 7th and 8th.
7th and 8th standard. So you're coming for the 2-kilometer walk? Yeah. Are you excited?
Yes.
Why do you think it's important to be a part of this event today?
For our healthiness and well-being, to make our body healthy. As our daily life is very busy, we don't get time to this walk and all. So we just come to have fun also.
Also, yes, it's a lot of fun here.
Well, we're just about ready to flag off the 5-kilometer walk here in Mumbai. It is teeming with people. We have had more than 8,500 registrations, and the people are absolutely enthusiastic. And what set the mood further is the presence of Sonam Kapoor, the chief guest, who is going to flag off the Max Bupa Walk for Health, the second edition, here in Mumbai. And even as we take a look at even as we are queuing up, the people are waiting, enthusiastic. They've been calling for this for quite some time, saying that they want to walk, they want to walk, they want to walk. They were warmed up a short while ago. They were getting a little impatient, but then finally, it's all come to order. They're all queued up, they're all lined up. They're just waiting for the flag off to happen. The flag off will happen right at the entrance of this beautiful sittings here in Mumbai. The atmosphere is absolutely electric. The weather is nice. The sun is just about coming up and, adorning the skyline.
The 5K. Woohoo! Let's go! Let's go! Start walking, people. Walking ahead. Come on. Woo! Bye!
Well, Sonam Kapoor, they're absolutely in a great mood. The flag off has happened and the people have started walking. And what I'm going to do is just walk amidst them with the people. It's a huge sea of people who are walking and they have already made a start. The finish line is the same as the start line. It's a huge group of people walking together and I'm walking with them. And they are all going to set the pace. It's going to be a start. It's not going to be easy. The weather is a little bit humid, but they've got their stock of water. They've got their stock of supplies. They're all walking with the water provided by our sponsor, Ava, and also Yakult that has set them up right for this 5-kilometer walk across key areas of Bandra West, the Mumbai suburb.
Across key areas of Bandra West, the Mumbai suburb. Plenty of enthusiastic people. How's the mood? Good? Ready? Warmed up?
Yeah, we're on suburb.
Warmed up. You
Yeah.
are. Great. You enjoyed the warm-up session and the build-up to this walk?
No, I don't know.
Oh, great. That's nice. Continue. Carry on with your walk. It's fabulous. It's phenomenal. And there you go. The walk has started. I see of people coming ahead.
Please assemble near the start
Okay,
gate.
well, we're back
We
here
will
in
start
Delhi.
very quickly,
we're getting
very
ready
soon,
for
so
the
please
2-kilometer
assemble near
walk
the
now.
start
I
gate.
must tell you, it's very, very loud. We have a huge throng of people here. And of course, as we've been saying, the children have been encouraged to come out here today and participate in the 2-kilometer walk. Now, let me just quickly tell you a little bit about the route. The 2-kilometer walk also starts from the same venue. It's the Major Dhyan Chand National Stadium right in the heart of the capital. And after this, it starts from here, goes down Mathura Road, goes down all the way to what we Delhiites call the Oberoi flyover, and there's a straight U-turn from there and all the way back. So it's a very, very simple route, absolutely straightforward, down one road and back down the same road. It's the simplest thing for the kids to do. And behind me, of course, you can see that we are all ready for the flag off now. We also have the popular Nicktoons, Dora the Explorer and the Ninja Turtles. They are here to flag off this particular race with a bunch of children, because this race, the 2-kilometer race, very, very
All right,
specifically
everybody, we are ready.
for the children and also for some of the
Ajat,
senior
koi bhagega?
citizens. So the excitement is
Awaaz nahi aayi,
palpable.
koi
The
bhagega?
5-kilometer race is already on its way.
Sab
The
log kya
2-kilometer
karenge?
race is just about to
That's
get
right.
underway.
Koi bhi
We've
kisi
been
ko
talking to
dhakka
some of
nahi
the
dega,
children,
मतलब
and
walk
it's
करके
great to
आराम
see
आराम से
children
यहाँ से
so
भाग जाएंगे.
excited,
There
so
is a wire
enthusiastic,
नीचे
and looking
और ये
forward
speakers
to an
हैं, इनसे
entire
कोई टकराएगा
lifetime
नहीं,
of
उनसे कोई
health,
टकराएगा
starting
नहीं,
with
सब
the
एक दूसरे
simplest
को धक्का
possible
नहीं
thing, which
मारेंगे.
is walking.
Is that
That's what we're
okay?
doing here today. And
Very
we can see
good.
now,
So are you ready?
all set. It's a countdown now.
Get, set, go!
And we are off
All
in
right,
the
don't
2-kilometer
run,
race
don't run.
as well.
Please,
And
senior
let's make
citizens,
sure
आप
that
लोग अगर
people
run
here today
करेंगे,
are not
तो बच्चों
running,
के लिए क्या
because we did
उदाहरण
see that
स्थापित
last
होगा?
year. A
Please
lot of
don't
people
run.
trying to break
You
the
have to
time
walk.
barrier, trying
You
to,
have to
yes,
walk.
like that, push their way through and make sure they
You
get
have
the
to
best
walk
time possible.
for a good
But the whole purpose today is not beating the clock. The purpose today is walking for health, and that's something which people who are walking at a leisurely pace can also do. We're going to try and talk to some of these people as well who have come here to participate in the 2-kilometer race. Hi, I can see here you're with your son.
Yeah, he's my son, David.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hello.
Are you enjoying being here today?
Yes.
Did you see Dora the Explorer and Ninja Turtles?
Yes.
Are you going to walk with them?
Yes, yes.
Show me how fast you're going to walk.
Very fast.
Very fast? Okay, let's see how fast you can walk. Very good.
Very fast. Very good morning.
Good morning. Well, as you can see here, it's an absolute sea of people. It's an absolute throng. And all these kids have come from their various schools to participate in this. And I'm going to try and get out of the way so that I don't stop the race. Well, you can see what happens when more than 10,000 people register. This is what's happening in Delhi, and it's absolutely packed over here with so many people, people from all walks of life who've come here today, people young and old, corporates, housewives, all sorts of people who've come here today to participate in this. That's why we've seen these kind of numbers. Now, let me remind you, last year as well, this was an extremely popular event, something that went very, very well in all three cities that it took place in. That was Mumbai, Delhi and Bangalore. This year though, even though it was virtually inconceivable, this year it's actually bigger and better than last year, which is wonderful because we've seen nearly 17,000 registrations, and as you can see, there's 10,000 people here in Delhi alone, and it's an absolute party here this Sunday morning. Perfect weather, beautiful sunshine, all these wonderful children coming from all their various schools participating in this and getting part of the movement, which is Walk for Health, to get healthy, to get fit. And that's what we want for the India of the future. That's what we want for our future generations, to have health and fitness as a regular part of their lives. Let's talk to some more of these kids. Have you all come together from school?
No, from different schools.
Different schools. So are you all friends?
Yes.
What brings you here today?
About to walk.
What, you wanted to walk for health?
Yes.
Okay, all the best. Enjoy your walk. So yes, the children might be a little tongue-tied, but I can tell you they're absolutely raring to go as far as the walk itself is concerned. Very, very excited to be here today. Now what we're doing is we're just walking from the start point, which is also the finish point, and going out towards the mouth of the main road, which is where the actual main track starts. That's really where the 5K and the 2K route starts. It goes down Mathura Road, which is one of the main arterial roads here in New Delhi. Goes down that road, goes all the way down to the Oberoi flyover. The 5-kilometer walkers who had set off about half an hour ago now, they should be reaching somewhere around there. After that, they will be going past the golf greens, the beautiful vistas of the Delhi golf course. They'll be passing that area and then coming back down onto Mathura Road, making their way right back here to the finish line, which is the same as the start line. So yes, both the races are off. They are here in Delhi. People have started on the 5K and the 2K, and very soon we will be tracking their movement along the route. For the moment, let's find out what's happening over in Mumbai.